Okay folks, we're out here today, the new Smyrna Beach Utilities Commission, or one of their locations. It's over here back behind Walmart off of State Road 44. I'll show you guys a little bit about what we got going on today. You can see behind me here, we have the big water holding tanks. Gotta get this guy today. It's a 2 million gallon water tank. You see they got a few of them here, getting everything set up. And then also, can't really see it too well from here, but you can see they've got a lot of structures out here that need to be cleaned up. Doing a few of them in this little round. We're going to be out here for a few days this week, probably 3 or 4 days. In the background back here, there's a building back there that we're also going to be cleaning up. And yeah, so these are about 28 feet tall. Got to get up on top of there also and get the roof, get the sides, all that black and everything cleaned up off of there. So we're going to be doing a soft wash on these basically, and let you guys see the end result after we're done. See some before and after pictures on the social media pages, all that fun stuff. And that's it for right now. Thank you.